Hello my lockdown friends. So I'm going to do another tune and I'm going to try Stand By Me. It's got a nice little rhythm, this one, and I'm going to do it in A, and it's fairly simple chords. We've got just an A just down there at the bottom. The tricky one is maybe a bar, because we've got an F sharp here. So we've got an F sharp minor. So the way I'm playing that is I'm just fretting all the second fret with my first finger like this, and then my little pinky and my third finger are just going in an E minor shape across the A and the D string on the 4th fret. So you've got your F sharp there. D, most people know. Then you got an E, just an open E. And then you go resolving back to the key, which is A. So this kind of rhythm here, you can get it from the bass line. I'm just going to just play a bit of that. It's got that little stop. You know, very soul-y. So we want to kind of emulate that with the chords. One way is I'm using a plectrum, just strumming down on the A. So I'm just going down, down, with a little break, down, stop, down, down, up. So the second beat there, I'm going a full down with, and then there's like a little dead strum. Yeah. And then up. Up, up, down, down, up. So just emulate that. Yeah, that's what you want. Down, stop, up, down, down, stop, up, down, stop, up, down. Yeah, you get the hang of it. So let's just put it all together. When the night has come and the land is dark and the moon is the only light we'll see. No, I won't be afraid. No, I won't be afraid. Just as long as you stand by me. And the chorus. Oh, darling, darling, stand by me. Oh, stand by me. Oh, stand by me. Stand by me. If the sky that we look upon should crumble and fall, and the mountain should crumble to the sea, I won't cry, no, I won't shed a tear, just as long as you stand by me. And darling, darling, stand by me. Oh, stand by me. Oh, stand by me. Stand by me. So darling, darling, stand by me. Oh, stand by me. Oh, stand now. Stand by me. Stand by me. Whenever you're in trouble, won't you stand by me? Oh, stand by me. Won't you stand now? Stand by me. So that's my version of Stand By Me. The rhythm's pretty much the same all the way through, including the choruses, and the outro there, you've got obviously a few bits which are slowing down and getting a bit more dramatic with the voice at the end. The other thing to remember is just to keep it steady all the way through. It's just got that rhythm, doesn't really alter, and then it's just a matter of smoothly going between all the chords. to get that nice kind of even rhythm. I hope you've enjoyed that, and good luck with Stand By Me. I'll be doing a sheet to go with that, with the chords and the music, so you can put the whole thing together. Alright, well, hopefully you enjoy making your music. Rock on. Bye for now.